Hey YouTube, I bought some Ferrocraft 61 welding rods. They're a 7018 rod made by CIG, and I thought I'd just do a quick report on how I found them to use. So let's jump straight into it. These are 7018 rod by CIG. They're Ferrocraft 61s, 3.2mm, and they're a really nice rod to weld with. Not that I've used that much 7018 yet, but so far these are the best that I've used. However, if you're a cheapskate like myself, here's a feature you won't like. You'll notice how long these pieces are that are on the floor. I'll put my finger down against it so you can see. And there's a lot of long pieces there. What happens is when you bend your welding rod into shape to get the best angle on it, the flux up on the end that you're bending breaks off. I didn't have that problem with the Orlican rods that I was using. They weren't quite as nice to weld with, but the flux stayed intact anyway. I'm throwing out way more rod than I would normally throw out. I would normally throw out not more than about 20-25mm. That's just an inch or less of rod. I use it right up to within 1/4 of an inch of the flux, the end of the flux. But with it breaking off, you can't do that. So yeah, I'll give them a tick for usability, but for economy, maybe not so much. I think you can see there where I bent the rod, the flux is broken. Now I had that rod just a little bit far back in the holder when I bent him, so the flux would naturally break. But even if I don't have it quite so far back in the holder, this flux normally does break, and then once it breaks, the last bit of it, maybe 10-15 mils of it, just seems to fall off as you're welding, which means you've got to keep your eye on the flux as well as the weld pool, so that when the flux starts to disintegrate on that last little bit, pull your welding rod out real quick before it starts to go all mad from not having any flux there. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope the information is of some use to you. If you'd like to see more of my projects or reviews, you can go to my channel or browse to my website. Don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe. Until next time.